In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly access your Microsoft Loop workspace so you can start collaborating efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any you like, and search for Microsoft Loop. Click the official link to go to the site. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily by following the on-screen instructions. You might also need to complete a two-step verification using a one-time password sent to your email or phone. This keeps your account secure. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Workspaces tab or menu. Click it and you'll see all the workspaces connected to your account. Select the one you want to work in, making sure to identify it by its title or other markers. Inside your workspace, you can start editing, adding content, or collaborating with colleagues. Microsoft Loop makes teamwork easy, allowing you to brainstorm, assign tasks, and share ideas seamlessly. And that's it. With these steps, accessing and managing your Microsoft Loop quiz is simple, secure, and efficient.